Alright, so the car is outside warming up right now. And I was able to successfully get it outside because I've been very pissed off at my garage situation, the driveway. Our driveway, if you can see here, is gravel. And I hate to say it, but like our landlord doesn't take care of this at all. So like we've requested gravel, can't get gravel in here. That typically happens, and also this floods a lot down here. Our street floods a lot, and the gravel will just like wash away. So over time, you can see right where like Helen parks, it's just like missing gravel, and it's missing gravel all over the place. And this shifts down. Literally, this shifts like quarter inch, half inch per year, and over the years, all the gravel is gone, all the mud and sediment is gone. So I have to end up building these like ramps. I had to buy these ramps, number one. And then I had to put in these blocks here to build a bridge, because the problem is the car will actually bottom out, as you can see right here. It'll actually bottom out and hit down there. And I'll put it up on the screen, but you can see how close this is, that you need these ramps. Basically, I tried putting just the ramps down, like just the black ramps, and I put them up against like the garage, like right where the threshold is, right here. And I tried putting them there, and they didn't work. Right? Like the back end of the car is like so far down then that it just scrapes directly in the middle. And I was just so fucking pissed, because you have a nice car, you do things to it, you want it to be nice, and then you can't get it in your shitty ass garage, right? And you know, you request gravel, you can't get gravel. You can even see the other dude over here. This is all like, the gravel was here at one point, it's not here anymore. Right in front of the Deborah X, there used to be gravel. No gravel. I had to shovel this gravel up here. Every year I gotta pull the gravel up here. So it's a pain in the fucking ass. And this is our neighbor. I'm gonna show you his. Yeah, he's missing a lot of gravel too. So, and you can even see where the WX is. It's all mud. Yeah, this is all mud. So I did get the car out. The exhaust hit right here. The Borla muffler goes right in the middle of the car, and it's not a great design. It works great for sound, but it's terrible for, like, right there is the lowest point of the car, and it bottoms out there. And when I pulled it in the last time, it took that big chunk out. It was a pain in the ass, and now there's an exhaust leak, so I gotta fix that, because it pulled the cat back away from the front pipe, right? Created an exhaust leak there. That's fun. Gotta fix that. So I went up and down to get it in and out here, so I can pull it in and out just fine now. This only cost me like $100 to do this, so it was like whatever, I had to get it done. So I'm glad that it is done. I'm glad that I can get my car in and out now, because it is a pain in the ass. Like, you don't even want to take your car out, basically, because you're like, well, it's gonna scrape, you know? And my car's not even that low. It's like an inch lower than stock, and it can't get in and out. So whatever, that is fixed. We got another week or so until we have a test and tune. I got to get my tires mounted on Friday. I'm actually sick right now. You can hear it in my voice. I have a hoarse throat, so getting over that, and hopefully spring technically is here, but it is still cold as shit outside. It's like 35 degrees right now. So I'm gonna go drive the car around a little bit, because I was able to get it out at least, and then I'll pull it in, and I'll go have to order some other things that I got to get done. I got to get new front end links and some other things. So peace out. Talk to you guys later. See ya. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff too.